Ready to launch your crypto project into the stratosphere of visibility? Getting listed on Coinmarketcap can make that happen, and this video will show you exactly how to do it. First, head to Coinmarketcap's website and scroll down to the very bottom. In the footer, find and click on the List Your Project link. This will take you to their listing application page. Here's the key part, the application form. The meticulous and accurate project information needs to be detailed. Explain your project's purpose, the problem it solves, and its unique selling points. Team details are crucial. List all team members with their LinkedIn profiles or relevant professional experience. Transparency builds trust, so don't skip this. Before you even apply, ensure you meet Coinmarketcap's listing criteria. This includes having a functional website, a working block explorer to verify transactions, and an active and engaged community. Speaking of community, consistently engage on social media. Regular updates, answering questions, and fostering discussions show Coinmarketcap that your project is alive and well. Your white paper is your project's Bible. Make sure it's comprehensive, easy to understand, and accurately reflects your project's goals and technology. Finally, once you've submitted your application, be patient. The Coinmarketcap team receives a high volume of requests. Follow up politely if you haven't heard back in a reasonable time frame. Getting listed takes effort, but the increased visibility is worth it. Now, what are you waiting for? Get to listing. Don't forget to subscribe for more crypto guides.